and hence is going to decrease your anxiety. No, 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 no. I'm not gonna say any of those things. Okay, so we have learned about anxiety now, but how do you cope with it? How do you deal with it? Let's see. What's up, you guys? Aditi, welcome back to our channel. I know I'm in the same top that you saw me last week because I filmed it on the same day because I was lazy and I wore mascara for the very first time. I got a new one. Although this is not a beauty channel, anyway, I'm gonna stop. So, last time we spoke about anxiety and what anxiety is and different levels of anxiety, blah blah blah. You don't know what I'm talking about. It's one specific emotion, and we've already spoken about emotions as well, like what is emotions, or sorry, what are emotions and general categories of emotions. That's a separate video. Anxiety is a separate video. Today we're going to talk about coping strategies of anxiety. So let's begin. First, very important thing is to have a flexible attitude and have multiple coping strategies. शॉर्ट में बोले तो always having a backup plan. अगर एक strategy काम ना करे, you can turn to a different strategy. Easy and simple. So what are those strategies? So first is anxiety reducing statements. Like for example, if you are in an examination hall and you are really anxious, you have no idea how you're going to do, you can tell yourself a few statements that will try, or it will kind of reduce your anxiety. Something like, I know I can do it. I'll take one question at a time and do my best on each question. So what this does is it kind of eases your tension. इसके opposite is the negative thoughts. So you are going to try and avoid any kind of negative thoughts or self-deprecating thoughts like, I'm going to fail this test, or all of these questions are too hard, I'm not remembering anything, I don't know anything, I'm stupid, I'm dumb. No, 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 no. I'm not gonna say any of those things. Because what these thoughts do is, firstly, they bring your morale down, they bring your confidence down, that gives you kind of like a low self-esteem. It makes you feel that you are not done enough. You may or may not have, but you don't need to think like that. Second is that it kind of distracts you from the primary task, the main task that you need to focus on. Another strategy is something that you're going to actually, ऐसे लग रहा है कि चप्पल मारोगे आप at the computer is to study well in advance and do whatever you can well in advance instead of cramming at the last minute and stressing out and feeling anxious at the last minute, easy. Because this is going to give you confidence and hence is going to decrease your anxiety. So with anything, any kind of performance anxiety you may have, any kind of work anxiety that you may have, you can always prepare yourself and start working well in advance, or instead of doing it at the last minute, because that is definitely going to decrease your anxiety. Very quite important thing is that for effective coping strategies, you need to match the individual the individual and the context. What I mean by this is that the individual needs to be comfortable with the strategy, and also the strategy should be appropriate to the level of the challenge of the examination or any task at hand. That is it. I will come with more coping anxiety strategies for you and make a separate video. I did not want to add a lot in this because the textbook that I have only includes these coping strategies, so I don't want to mix everything up. I will make a separate video on all the other strategies that I use. I'll talk to other people and ask them what they do. I'll talk to psychologists, I'll talk to my psychology professors, and I'll come up with a huge cluster of coping strategies for you guys. But for now, this is it. I hope you like it. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next Friday with another psychology video. Sorry for all the I can't do anything about it. But I'll see you next Friday. I hope this ends. So for now, bye.